Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can insert a table in your Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply, we have to open our presentation, Google Slides presentation. And after that, we have to go to the insert section. And after going to the insert section, we have to click on that. And as you can see, it has the option for the table. So we have to click on the table option. As you can see now, we have to choose that which type of table you want to add. You can increase this. As you can see, you have to drag that and it will be automatically increased. So I'm going to want to insert a table like this. Let's change the slide. So I'm going to click on this. And now let's go to the insert and let's go to the table, and now let's choose this like this, and now I'm going to click on this. As you can see, the table is inserted here. If you want to move your table, you can also do that. As you can see now, the table is here. You can manage that. You can write whatever you want. For example, I'm going to write the text like this, and the table editing options are also provided here. We have to click on this. As you can see now, you have the border option. If you want to insert the borders, you can also do that. So as you can see, the borders are inserted. You can change the colors as well. For example, I want this color, so now the color is changed. If you want to insert the border, change the border color, you can also do that, and the border colors will be like this. And now you can change your bordering options as well. So in this way you can insert your table, and in this way you can manage that, and you can change the color of your table borders and the colors as well. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.